Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Temu coupon code. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the Temu app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to buy something from here. Okay guys, and if you want to use the coupon, and if you have already, then you can use it by tapping on you, and you can easily see here coupon and offers. So just simply you have to tap on that. Now you can see here guys, enter coupon code. Just simply you have to enter the coupon code if you have already. If you don't have and want to get coupon code, just simply you have to go back and just simply you have to open any browser in your phone, and just simply you have to search for temupon.com. So just simply you have to search for this, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on first one. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, and just simply you have to tap on unlock coupon code. Now from here guys, here is the coupon. Just simply you have to copy this coupon. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the Temu. Let me tell you that when you are going to unlock this coupon, it's asking you to do some task. Okay guys, let me show you here guys. So tap on unlock code. When you tap on unlock code, it's asking you to complete some task. So after completing the task guys, you can easily get that coupon code. Okay guys, so once you get that guys, just simply you have to tap on Temu. From here guys, just simply you have to enter the coupon code. So just simply you have to tap on apply, and the coupon code will be used on the Temu, and you can get some discount if you want to buy something. So that's pretty much for today's video. If they're just helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.